Peoples Gas provides natural gas to more than 800,000 homes and businesses in Chicago. Delivering natural gas to all of our customers takes a network of 4,000 miles of underground pipes. That's like traveling from Chicago to Paris, France. While you've been counting on us to deliver natural gas safely and reliably for more than 170 years, our pipes are currently past their service life, which is why we've embarked on our Safety Modernization program. Half of these underground pipes, approximately 2,000 miles, have been delivering gas for nearly a century and are in need of replacement. These pipes are located throughout the city and impact large numbers of neighborhoods. Project locations are based on a number of factors including age and condition of the existing pipe. We also coordinate with members of the City of Chicago's water main replacement program to minimize disruptions to the neighborhood. Additionally, we meet with the aldermen to inform them of the project plan. And finally, we begin communicating with our customers who reside in the project area. The new pipes being installed are made of a modern material called polyethylene and are more flexible, have stronger joints, and will help prevent leaks with Chicago's freezing and thawing seasons. As you can imagine, this is not as easy as just dropping in new pipes. There are 3 phases to get you connected to our new modern natural gas system. The first phase is preparation. We will make an appointment with you to gain access to our meter, which is normally located in the basement. During this appointment, we will document where the current gas enters the home, and in most cases, we'll install a bracket on the outside of the building, preparing for the new gas meter to be moved outside. The next phase of the process is installation, where Peoples Gas will install new gas mains and service lines. Mains are pipes that bring natural gas to your block and are installed under the street, parkway, or sidewalk. Service lines are pipes that bring natural gas to your home and are installed under your lawn and/or sidewalk. After the service line is installed, Peoples Gas crews will schedule an appointment with you to install the new meter outside and connect your building to the new gas service. This new system provides safety benefits not found on the existing system: an overpressurization protection device and safety vent, an excess flow protection valve, and an easily accessible safety shutoff valve that can be turned off in an emergency by first responders. Finally, in Phase 3, restoration, contract crews will come back once all the work is complete to restore all the areas disturbed during construction, weather permitting. We understand construction can be disruptive, and we intend to minimize the inconvenience to you and your neighbors. On behalf of the thousands of Peoples Gas employees and contractor crew members working on the Safety Modernization program, we thank you in advance for your patience as we work to replace 2,000 miles of the natural gas delivery system serving Chicago. Please watch our other videos for more detailed information regarding our Safety Modernization program. Peoples Gas. We keep life moving.